All right, welcome back. We've got another great day ahead of us. Gonna be dialed today, hopefully. Let's hop into the setup. I can't show you much of this, but basically today, one of the tasks I'm working on is organizational outreach. So we're doing an outreach campaign to large companies that would need multiple hires from the Philippines. So I had one of my team members go through a list of companies, doing all the background research, finding who the person is we want to contact, and any other helpful information about them so I can write that cold email. So I'm gonna spend about an hour on this, maybe draft a couple of these and schedule them for tomorrow. I'm also making some great headway on my next YouTube video. Been running through it a couple times, practicing what I'm going to say and making sure it flows well. It makes sense to the viewer. So we're gonna continue this, doing a little more work, and then I'll check back in with you. We're hopping into our first interview of the day. Hopefully it's a good one. Always gotta hope for that, but you know, we'll see how it turns out.
Happy Sunday.
Thank you, sir. I'm sorry for, I forgot to send you the link beforehand, so I did it last minute.
That's all good. No worries.
Your patience with that. So why did your last job come to an end, that chat support one? And that's all the questions I had for you today, man. I appreciate your time. Last one went okay. I don't think it was a good match, but it was a good conversation. We went the whole 30 minutes. Let's hop into this one. We'll see how it goes. So it was another dud. Had to cut it kind of short. Gonna go head out on this run right now. Gonna go to the beach, so we'll catch you on the iPhone. Just about the halfway point. Hit the peak. And we're just cruising down all the way to Clifton. Passing out the gorgeous view. What's camp today? Of Kingston. While you're on that run. Shit. They already took the yacht out. I thought I was on time. Guess not, huh? Well, if you can't tell, I just got back from the beach. Feeling a little bit red, hopefully not too red. Gonna pop in our fourth coffee of the day because I have like 5 calls after this and I need to be dialed, and I'm not feeling dialed. I'm feeling a little bit tired, if I'm being honest. And we can't be having that. Coffee machine, take a shower, and we'll hop into the calls. So we're about to hop in this sales call right now. I'm hoping he shows up to it, but I'm running a little behind. I gotta get the invoice going and everything, but we'll hop in just a second. Going well, how are you, man? So I have 30 minutes here today. Are you cool if I jump right into kind of the agenda, what to expect for this call? Yeah, okay, I see. And you mentioned that slide about the team that you're working with. How big in total is your team? Based on, you know, what I've kind of learned a little bit about, I don't think that our service is going to be the best fit for you, but I would definitely start with online jobs. I think that that's a great resource for you to get things going. Yeah, just got wrapped up the first one. Gotta make some dinner and then we'll hop back into the other ones. Oh wait, I almost forgot about you. So I made myself a pound of beef stroganoff, and then we have back-to-back, we have a interview, a call with my good friend Johnny, and then a sales call. So we're preparing for the sales call now so that I don't have to do that last minute. Yeah, just getting down some good protein after today's run and today's run and sun. If you see, I'm already developing quite the burn. That's what no sunscreen does to you, but hey, you win some, you lose some. Hopping into a call with Johnny real quick. Looking forward to this one. We always talk about good stuff. Whoa.
How are you doing?
I'm wonderful, man. If you could tell I'm a little bit of sun today, dude.
Yeah, you did. Let's go.
Yeah.
You just look tan. You don't really look that.
Good, because it doesn't look that way in the mirror.
Virtue just this month booked. We built. Actually.
Congratulations. Well, I hope your call goes well. We'll
Thanks,
chat
man.
soon.
You too. Good luck. You got this.
Yo, what's up, Matt? How are you? And I just find it really hard to reteach those bad habits already. So, especially on my own team, I've had the most success with just training someone from the ground up, but different approaches for different people. So wrapping up the day here. Gonna do some, I still have the fourth coffee, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to sleep quite yet. I'm still jittery. Overall, a solid night. Got a good amount of work done. Gonna try and do just a couple more stuff here and there, some admin tasks to clean up. Solid day, really, really good day today, I would say. Got like solid amount of work done, bunch of calls, went to the beach, plenty of sunburn. He's really coming in now. But yeah, I hope this vlog was good today. I guess we'll find out right now because you have already watched it to the end. That's all for March 2nd, 2025 from Cape Town, South Africa, signing off.